Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we dig into the real stories behind financial reports, and let's just say this next filing involves some digging in more ways than one. Today we are looking at Contango ORE Incorporated's latest 8K filing. Get ready because we are going to uncover what is really happening beneath the surface with this exploration company. Before we dive in, if you like getting clear, actionable insights from complex corporate documents, make sure you are subscribed. And hey, join our Discord community linked in the description below for even more discussions and insights. Alright, so Contango ORE Incorporated is reporting some news on the 19th of November 2025. What is this all about? Well, it seems like they are kicking off a new drill program called Lucky Shot. For those who might not know what this means in the world of mining companies, a drill program is basically them going out and actively exploring for valuable minerals like gold or copper by drilling into the ground. This announcement is a pretty big deal for a company like Contango ORE. It signals that they are moving forward with their plans and actively trying to find new resources. Think of it as them placing a bet on future success. They are spending money and time hoping to discover something that will make the company much more valuable. Now, while this 8K is mainly about this press release, it does give us a little peek into the company's structure. We see their common stock is traded on the NYSE American exchange under the ticker symbol CTJO. This is the main way investors can buy and sell shares of the company. The report states that on the 19th of November 2025, the company issued a press release about starting this Lucky Shot drill program. They are also mentioning that this information is available on their website. It's standard practice for companies to put out press releases to share important news like this with the public and investors. Here is where things get a little tricky, and it's something we see in almost every filing. They are talking about forward-looking statements. This is essentially a legal disclaimer saying, hey, what we are saying might not happen. They are talking about future action strategies, future operating and financial performance, and their ability to achieve anticipated benefits. Companies put this in because the future is uncertain and they don't want to be held responsible if things do not go exactly as planned. It is a way to protect themselves from lawsuits if their predictions don't pan out. The main exhibit here is the press release itself. That is where all the juicy details from that announcement would be. For a company like Contango ORE, the success or failure of these drill programs directly impacts their future. If they find valuable minerals, their stock price could soar. If they don't hit anything significant, then it is a setback and investors might lose confidence. This is why these drill programs are so critical and why the market pays close attention to them. We also see a signature from Michael C. Clark, who is listed as the Chief Financial Officer and Secretary. Having a CFO sign off on these reports is normal. It means the company is formally acknowledging the information being filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission. Looking at this filing from a broader perspective, Contango ORE is in the business of taking risks and potentially reaping big rewards. This 8K is them signaling progress on a key initiative. The company's direction hinges on the success of exploration efforts like this Lucky Shot drill program. Significant findings could dramatically boost their valuation and prospects. Conversely, a lack of success could lead to a decline in investor confidence and make it harder to secure future funding for more exploration. So what is the verdict on Contango ORE right now? Well, this filing is more of a heads up about potential future growth rather than a deep dive into existing financials. The real story will unfold as we see the results of this Lucky Shot drill program. The biggest opportunity is obviously a major discovery that could transform the company. The biggest risk is that they spend a lot of money drilling and find very little of value. It is high risk, high reward territory. In conclusion, Contango ORE is actively pursuing its core business of mineral exploration with the start of the Lucky Shot drill program. Investors will be watching closely for any positive news from this venture. Alright, that is our quick decode of Contango ORE's latest filing. What do you think about this drill program and its potential impact? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more clear and concise financial analysis. And don't forget to join our Discord community for ongoing discussions. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.